Is this you trying to place each note one by one to make a perfect hi-hat pattern, just to do it again after every beat? Man, that's dead, okay? You need to be using midis, either your own saved, and the way you do that in FL Studio is by going to the pattern, pressing Ctrl-Shift-M, then choosing a folder so you can find it later, because you need to find it later, okay? Because you're going to be using it, and it's going to speed up your workflow. And then by naming it, whatever you want to name it, just so you can remember what it was like, and then pressing save. Or you can use a MIDI kit that's already got loads of MIDIs readily made for you, such as Unwanted Midis Volume 2, link in description, because it'll speed up your workflow by like 73%. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna make a beat in like 10 seconds using MIDIs, alright? See, look at this, yeah, a fire beat that didn't take me 3 hours using unique patterns, and it didn't drain my creative juices, so I can make another beat and another beat and another beat. Now I do understand this doesn't really help with mixing, doesn't take into account mixing. So check this video out on how to get clean melodies.